With the recent FOMC meeting that took place, what does that mean for the markets? What does that mean for projects that are absolute great DeFi gems? We're gonna find out, man. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Tonic fam, Crow fam, I'm back with another video for you guys. We're back, man. You see how consistent I am with covering Tonic, guys. I'm telling you, once I lock in, right? It's a ton of work, trust and believe. It's a ton of work to make all these videos, but you know, we here, right? Go support my previous Tonic videos, guys. Just go back and rewatch them, get the views up, get them each to 1,000 views a piece, guys. I'm telling you, the more you support these videos, the more you support content creators, it spreads the word of the project. It gives awareness to the project, right? Also, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Tonic right now sitting at that 146 mark. You know, a little bit of a dip-a-rooney going on. You know, I'll explain why, but a little bit of a dip going on because of you know, outside factors. But don't worry about it, guys. You know how that goes. We're sitting at 32, just under 33 mil market cap for Tonic, and you know, watch list numbers keeps going up, holders addresses keeps going up. This market has been absolutely, you know, a crap show. The market has been a crap show. If it's not FTX collapsing, if it's not Celsius Voyager collapsing, if it's not oh my god, if it's not Terra Luna, it's the literal government, the SEC, right? It's the government with holdings of Bitcoin, you know, signaling to dump Bitcoin. It's the SEC labeling everything in the space as security. It's just absolute terror all around, guys. But guess what, Tonic fam, Crow fam, we're still here. And whenever that time comes where we start seeing a comeback in crypto, because crypto is never gonna go away, it's always gonna be here, and there is going to be that comeback. Where we do see that comeback in crypto, I'm telling you, Tonic fam, Crow fam, it's going to be life changing. So all you gotta do, man, scoop up your bag. If you got a bag that you're satisfied with, just hold, and if you don't, just use each opportunity you can to DCA. Now let's get into why we're so bearish. The recent FOMC meeting happened. All you need to know, there was no rate hike increase this month, which was pretty good. Rate cuts are unlikely in 2023 though, which is bad. Fed goal remains 2% inflation. That's good because we're at 4%, so now they just have to bring it down 2 more points, 2 more percentages, right? We saw that the peak of inflation, it got all the way up to 8%. So the Fed is doing a great job bringing down inflation, minus the banks collapsing, minus all the unemployment that is taking place. They're doing a great job at bringing down inflation, right? But you know, overall, there's so much consequences for what they're doing with the rate hikes. But they're gonna stick to what their plan is, and they're gonna stick to their goal, man. Fed also signals possible rate increases later this year. You'd think, with inflation being at 4%, they wouldn't raise any more interest rates, but I guess they'll continue to do so. 2 rate hikes with 0.25 BPS expected by the Fed this year. Overall, hawkish sentiment. Hawkish meaning bearish, right? So overall, not what everybody was expecting. They thought we would see a Fed pause. That's what majority of the markets predicted, but not this time around. If we get more rate hikes later this year, that's going to be bearish, and the terrible market continues. But just leave it to the Fed, man. Whenever they start that pause and then pivot and then start quantitative easing, it's over. It's over. All the pain, all the bearish, terrible markets, that's when it starts being worth it. That's when you're like, wow, it's a good thing I stuck through these markets, right? We have a thread right here from Single Finance. I'm thinking this is a protocol, DeFi yield protocol on Crow, but they also made a thread on Tonic, so we're gonna go through that. Family means you don't get left alone. This cooking strategy is for the Crow fam. We'll use Tectonic and Single Finance protocols to sauce it up in early yields. $13 in 30 days. Disclaimer, 30 days calculation. Head over to Tonic 5 to start the cooking process right here. Right, start the cooking process. Supply US $2,000 worth of Atom for 12.2% APY. The return is $10 for 1.17 Atom in 30 days. What else can you do? Time to fry up the pan. Now you can use 50% of the collateral to borrow Crow, 9,500 Crow. The net borrow APY for Crow is 8%. This is so you can forget about as you can cancel it out. Did I mention that you get 0.8% tonic reward for borrowing Crow? So they've made a great thread right here. Did you get the extra? Did you say extra reward? Yes, sir. You get a 0.8% tonic reward. 0.8% APY reward will accumulate. Let's do the math right. I'm counting right here. 244,000 tonic. But wait, I want to know how the borrowing interest will get canceled. Time to spice it up with Crow. You borrowed and earn more Crow without paying interest. Head over to Single Finance. Check out the farming section. Check out the Crow USDC farming tool with 2x leverage. The numbers don't lie. The APY is a whopping 20.67%. The cooking book just revealed that you get Crow without paying interest. Best part, you farm with the Crow and borrow USDC. You don't need to inject more money. Just gear up your leverage 2x. In a nutshell, don't go around looking for the best farming pool. 2x leverage yield provides a high yield with VVS farming pool. You borrow USDC and supply Crow for farming. No need to inject more capital to use this strategy. Leverage yield, farm Crow, total equals 62.81 Crow for 329. Call yourself a strategist, opportunist always entirely up to you. And then they have the Tectonic Finance, Single Finance. Who knows, man? This method that we're seeing right here could be lead to another partnership for Tectonic. I'm not too I don't know too much about Single Finance, but you know, they had a thread that they included Tonic, so you guys could do a little method to earn more rewards. You know, it could be something, you know, you test out, guys, to earn more passive income, which is only possible through DeFi, guys. So yeah, I saw that. I was like, let me check it out. Pretty bullish. And also from Shango, higher market cap for Tectonic will most likely mean a higher collateral factor percentage. The collateral factor is a percentage a borrower can borrow against an asset. Currently at 20%, Crow is at 70%. Tectonic Crow, right? 20% collateral. So you know, it's heating up, man. Heating up. Super nice stuff, man. So yeah, guys, we'll see what happens with the markets. We'll see what happens. You know, you never know if something bullish could just randomly happen this year and altcoins start to send. We still haven't seen alt season, right? We saw meme coin season. We still haven't seen alt season. So the potential of alt season still happening this year. Don't rule out that possibility. Tonic eventually, you know, it's gonna find the bottom and then start another move up, guys. I'm telling you. Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I can't speak. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, support this video, get it to 10,000 views, man. Let's go. Share it with every Tonic community member. Thank y'all so much for watching. Once again, join the Patreon for access to my private Discord server, my buy alerts and sell alerts as well with my crypto elite tier, right? We'll just be talking about all kinds of different projects in the Discord, you know, so we could get in, maybe make a few trades, get a quick flip here, 2x 3x there, and then accumulate more Tonic with that, guys. Again, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.